Hello everyone, welcome to the series Tragic Flaws in Shakespeare's Plays. And in this video, we are going to discuss Othello. Introduction. Othello, the valiant Moorish general of Shakespeare's tragedy, embodies the destructive forces of jealousy and gullibility. His downfall stems from his inability to trust his own judgment and his susceptibility to the manipulative schemes of Iago. Through Othello's tragic journey, Shakespeare masterfully explores the devastating consequences of jealousy and perils of misplaced trust. The power of jealousy. Othello's jealousy is a potent weapon wielded by Iago. The villain skillfully plants seeds of doubt in Othello's mind, twisting innocent actions into evidence of Desdemona's infidelity. Othello's insecurities and his outsider status in Venetian society make him particularly vulnerable to these manipulations. Iago's manipulative prowess is showcased when he plants the seeds of doubt in Othello's mind, subtly suggesting Desdemona's infidelity. Oh, beware, my lord, of jealousy. It is the green-eyed monster which doth mock the meat it feeds on. Act 3, Scene 3. Iago's cunning manipulation preys on Othello's vulnerabilities, turning his trust into a weapon against him. Misplaced trust. This susceptibility to manipulation stems from a misplaced trust. Othello sees Iago as a loyal friend and confidant, completely blind to his envious nature. He prioritizes Iago's words over Desdemona's desperate pleas of innocence, a tragic flaw evident in his line, "Per charge, Iago, I will be bethought," to nameless wrongs. Act 3, Scene 3. This misplaced trust allows Iago to orchestrate a web of lies that ultimately destroys Othello's world. Susceptibility to manipulation. Othello's susceptibility to manipulation and his deep-seated insecurities fuel his jealousy. As Iago weaves his web of deceit, Othello's trust in Desdemona begins to waver. Despite Desdemona's unwavering love and loyalty, Othello's mind becomes consumed by suspicion and doubt. His jealousy is vividly portrayed when he demands ocular proof of her infidelity. Give me a living reason she is disloyal. Act 3, Scene 3. Iago seizes this opportunity, fabricating evidence, including the infamous handkerchief, to further convince Othello of Desdemona's supposed betrayal. Othello's descent into jealousy is marked by a transformation from a rational, noble leader to a man driven by irrational rage and paranoia. Isolation and irrationality. As Othello's jealousy intensifies, he becomes increasingly isolated and irrational. His inner turmoil and growing mistrust of Desdemona are encapsulated in his anguished soliloquy. "Haply, for I am black, and have not those soft parts of conversation that chamberers have, or for I am declined into the vale of years." Act 3, Scene 3. These lines reveal Othello's deep insecurities about his race, age, and social standing, which Iago expertly exploits to manipulate him further. Othello's tragic flaw blinds him to the truth and drives him to actions that are both violent and irrevocable. Climactic confrontation. The culmination of Othello's tragic journey occurs in the play's climax, when he confronts Desdemona and, in a fit of jealous rage, murders her. Even as Desdemona pleads her innocence, Othello's mind is clouded by Iago's manipulations. "Out, strumpet! Weepest thou for him to my face?" Act 5, Scene 2. It is only after Desdemona's death that Othello begins to realize the extent of his tragic mistake. Emilia, Iago's wife, reveals the truth about Iago's deceit, leading to Othello's devastating realization. Then must you speak of one that loved not wisely but too well, of one not easily jealous, but being wrought, perplexed in the extreme. Act 5, Scene 2. This moment of anagnorisis or recognition is crucial in Shakespearean tragedy, making Othello's awareness of his flaws and the irreversible consequences of his actions. Othello's ultimate downfall. In the end, Othello's tragic flaw leads to his ultimate downfall. Overwhelmed by guilt and grief, he takes his own life, uttering his final words, "I kissed thee ere I killed thee. No way but this, killing myself to die upon a kiss." Act 5, Scene 2. Othello's death serves as a poignant reminder of the destructive power of jealousy and the tragic cost of allowing oneself to be manipulated. Conclusion. In Othello, Shakespeare masterfully explores the themes of jealousy, trust, and manipulation. Othello's tragic flaw, his susceptibility to Iago's deceit, and his consuming jealousy leads him to commit acts that destroy his life and the lives of those he loves. The play serves as a powerful cautionary tale, highlighting the perils of allowing one's insecurities and emotions to be manipulated by others. Through Othello's tragic journey, Shakespeare underscores the devastating consequences of unchecked jealousy and the importance of discerning trust. So this was the discussion on the tragic flaw in Shakespeare's play Othello. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other play. Until then, goodbye and thank you.